Hello, kids. Today we're going to learn a story of a little turtle's big journey. And we're going to learn some Urdu words along the way. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a calm, sparkling pond, there lived a little turtle. Turtle meaning Kachwa, named Timmy. Timmy loved to swim and play with his friends, but he always wondered what lay beyond the pond. He often saw birds soaring high in the sky. Sky meaning Asman, and heard stories from the frogs about the big wide world outside. World, Dunya. One warm morning, Timmy decided he was going to go on an adventure. I'm going to leave the pond and see what's out there, he said excitedly. His friends, the fish, yani, meaning machli, and frogs, meaning mendak, tried to warn him. Timmy, the world beyond the pond is big and unknown. It can be dangerous, and it's not easy out there. Are you sure you're ready? Timmy thought for a moment, but his curiosity was too strong. I am ready. I want to see the world for myself. With a little backpack on his back, little meaning chota, Timmy slowly crawled towards the edge of the pond and began his journey. He passed through the tall grass, walked across the quiet meadows, and climbed over small rocks. Rocks meaning pathar. But soon the path grew steeper and the weather changed. A dark cloud covered the sun and rain began to fall. Oh no! Timmy didn't panic, but the storm made everything feel harder. The ground became slippery, and the rain, meaning barish, made it difficult to see. He tried to keep going, but soon he was exhausted. He sat under a tree, shivering a little. I didn't expect it to be so hard, Timmy said to himself. Just then, a wise, old, meaning Budha, owl, meaning Ullu, named Oliver, flew down beside him. Timmy, what are you doing out here in the rain? I wanted to see the world, Oliver. Timmy replied with a sigh. But it's harder than I thought. I don't know if I can do it. Oliver looked at Timmy with kind eyes. Eyes meaning aankhein. Life is full of challenges, little one. The world is big. Big meaning bada. And sometimes things don't go as we expect. But remember, you don't have to do it all at once. Take it slow and give yourself time. Patience is your best friend. Timmy blinked his big eyes. But how do I know what to do when things are hard? Oliver smiled and said, when things get tough, stop for a moment. Breathe deeply. You don't have to have all the answers at once. Just keep going step by step and take things one day at a time. Timmy thought about Oliver's word. He wasn't in a rush after all. I guess I can take things slowly, Timmy said, feeling a little better. So Timmy decided to wait out the rain under the tree, and when it passed, he continued his journey. Each step he took, he remembered Oliver's advice, and with patience, meaning sabr, he slowly, meaning ahista se, made his way through the challenges, meaning mushkilat. But the time he reached the top of a hill, the sun, in Urdu, we call Asman, came out again. Shining brightly, Timmy smiled, feeling proud of himself. From that high spot, he could see the whole world before him. The forests, the rivers, the mountains, and the fields. It was beautiful, just like the stories his friends had told him. He realized that journey was not just about reaching the end, but about enjoying the small steps along the way, facing challenges with patience and finding peace within himself. Timmy returned to the pond and all his friends gathered around. "How was your adventure?" they asked. "It was hard at times." Times, in Urdu, we call waqt. Timmy admitted, "But I learned." Learn, in Urdu, we call it seekhna. That when life is tough, we don't have to rush. We can take things slowly, one step at a time, and everything will be okay. So the kids, the moral of the story is, life may be full of challenges, and the road may not always be easy, but with patience, peace, and the willingness to take things one step at a time, we can face anything that comes our way. The end of the story now. Khuda Hafiz, Alvida. Future of Urdu ki taraf se. Take care.